Things like augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, XR, which used to be considered a distant, futuristic concept that sounded great in theory but felt more like science fiction, are becoming more commonplace. Corporate environments. It enables better planning and collaboration, and also streamlines some workflows throughout the project's lifetime. While it's certainly not a ubiquitous technology in most industries, it's starting to become more accessible and user-friendly, increasing its use. So far, a report from last fall indicated that the enterprise AR market is expected to grow by $1. We've seen several different examples of companies increasing their presence in this space in just the last few months, with Navis teaming up with Magic Leap to provide enterprise-grade AR, as well as the recently launched end-to-end holographic scan Cleario. And app reviews. Towards the end of July, Theorem Solutions announced its latest feature release in this space as well, with a strong focus on ease of use for customers. Based out of the UK, Theorem Solutions has been supplying technology to the AEC world around automated CAD migration, among other things, since 1989. Working primarily with engineering and manufacturing companies, Theorem Solutions helps its customers get the most value from their 3D CAD assets. As they state on their company website, many engineering firms' most valuable asset is their intellectual property contained in their CAD assets, so expanding that value as much as possible is key for these firms. They have recently expanded to allow these 3D CAD assets to be used in XR environments, enabling collaboration within these AR, VR and XR environments. One of the biggest additions to the product in this latest version is AR functionality, with a new option for users to load multiple models in a single session, an improvement over previous iterations where only one dataset could be loaded for visualization and inspection. In the past, only users using XR or VR could do this, but our users can now take data from a range of AEC applications such as Revit, Navisworks, and other major CAD systems and visualize a combination of datasets in the same environment, on handheld AR devices such as tablets or smartphones. The increased accessibility of being able to use this feature should bring in many more potential customers who may not have access to the hardware required for VR and XR. Those with access to this hardware, and specifically the Microsoft HoloLens 2, will also get some new features. With this new release, users of Theorem-XR VR software will be able to use a new holographic pen in a virtual environment that allows marking to be done live in a session via a virtual display. This will make it much easier to visualize the potential changes that need to be made, note the next steps in the action plan, highlight potential conflicts in the design and the planning phase instead of looking for them while working on the project, and simply leave notes with notes, for participants who could not attend the live collaboration. More features are being added in this latest quarterly release of Theorem-XR, but the main takeaway is the rapidly growing availability and functionality of these AR, VR and XR tools for users in the enterprise environment. Although some still associate these tools mostly with gaming and other forms of entertainment, the business use cases in the AEC world are significant. The ability to collaborate with relevant stakeholders in an increasingly easy way while viewing an accurate and interactive 3D model is a game changer.